Arthur, you ready to hear this one?
Hell yeah, dude. Let's hear it.
Okay, so dude, what's the best thing about Switzerland?
I don't know. What?
I don't know, but its flag is a big plus. Come on, Arthur, it wasn't that funny. Arthur, you okay? Arthur. Ah shit, he's unconscious. I'll, call an ambulance.
Almighty problem is our taught, his faith in God is failing. Homer accidentally killed his mom.
A civil authority has issued a civil emergency message for the following counties or areas. Marion, Indiana, at 11:24 a.m. on April 1st, 2022. Effective until 2:04 p.m., this is an urgent message from the Centers of Disease Control and Prevention. An unidentified pathogen is currently spreading throughout the city of Indianapolis and nearby areas. Symptoms of this virus include lightheadedness, uncontrollable laughter, and loss of consciousness. If you are experiencing one or more of these symptoms, dial 911 or go to the nearest hospital immediately. Stay tuned to this station or other media outlets for further information.
Daddy, I have a problem.
Oh, you too?
I accidentally watched a 30 Rock by mistake.
Oh, my good boy.
So it's okay to watch?
Just Kenneth. Good morning, Rod, Todd, God.
Watch real loud trucks and smell the smoke that reminds you of your dead alcoholic stepdad who you're glad is dead but still miss anyway. Rest in peace, Gene. Forget which beer can is your ashtray. And whenever you feel like it, shout racial stuff. You will not be the fattest person there.
This is a National Information Center Statement Yellow Card. I have activated the emergency alert system to keep you informed of an ongoing situation that is occurring across the country. On April Fool's Day, known as April 1st, a new virus, which the CDC has named SEA22, known simply as the lapping virus, has been spreading across the United States. with over 1,000 new cases of SCA-22 reported across the United States alone. The patients have noted that when they were revived at the hospital, they were laughing at a joke their friends made, and they could not stop laughing at it, causing them to pass out. It is presumed this pathogen makes the person laugh uncontrollably, causing them to eventually pass out. It is presumed this pathogen is either man-made or a supernatural event is ongoing across the world. Continents like Europe and Asia have reported cases of SCA-22. If you believe you are infected with SCA-22, take proper precautions and isolate yourself so you don't infect others. The United States government is launching a full-scale investigation into why this is happening and how we can stop it. Another statement will be issued if we figure out what the actual cause of this situation is and how we can resolve it. May God be with you all. Thank you, and God bless the United States of America.
Much for having us.
Well, no response from Peter. What the hell? I thought we were going to the clam.
And Quagmire just texted back, can't. I don't like it.
They're doing something without us.
So, Brian, what's new in your world?
Oh, well,
Stand by. Stand by. Stand by. Stand by. Stand by. Stand by.
This is a message from the United States government. I am a representative of the President. Over the past hour, no more cases of SCA-22 has been reported in the United States. It has been found out that the laughter virus is not even a virus at all. It was reported that several sonic attacks were committed against the United States. MRI scans have noted abnormalities in the brain in the victims that were affected by the sonic weapon, and it was recorded nobody heard any noise, and the laughter will be only triggered if a joke is told. It is unknown who was the perpetrator of the attack, but the United States is still investigating who was attacking the United States with the sonic weapon. To repeat, the situation is over. Thank you for being calm during the situation, and we will get to the bottom of this. God bless the United States of America.